Hello everyone and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So as you've read the title of the recipe, today we're going to be making this authentic crab curry, Goan Crab Curry, with this beautiful paste made of coconut and other spices, and the end result is this lip-smacking delicious curry. And do watch the video till the end because I'm going to show you how I plate my fish thali at home. So I've got a lot of ingredients which I've been making, and I will link all those recipes down below because if I make a very long video with each and every recipe, it will be really very long. So the thali today will be having this beautiful crab curry. It's also going to have some lovely Goan Sorak. It's going to have some surmai fry or kingfish masala fry. It's going to have some lovely prawns fry, some mango pickle, and a little bit of salad at the side. So you can see how I plate it. I normally have it with bhakris, but today I put some chapatis and some rice, and the end result was a lovely fabulous meal. So guys, without much further ado, let's jump into today's recipe and do watch the video till the end. I'll catch you. So here is the crab. It's all washed under running water, cleaned really well. And the fisher only told me that, everything is clean. All I need to do is just go and wash it under running water. This is the fish roe. She said not to take it out, but to keep it. It is really tasty. If you don't like a crab roe or fish roe, you can, wash that off too. It's very simple. It comes off under running water. So in this way, clean the crab really, really well. Even that is fish roe. That's what the fisher lady told me. So now that our crab is clean, let's head on with the rest of the ingredients, that is making the masala, which is the most important part of this recipe. So here I have 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. This is about 6 to 7 dried red chilies, about 8 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 inch of cinnamon, 10 peppercorns, about 5 cloves, and a small ball of tamarind. So now we're just going to put all of these ingredients into a large mixer jar. We're going to add about half a cup of water, or if you need more, you can add about a cup of water, and grind this to a very fine paste. So I've transferred my paste to a bowl, and I've again rinsed the mixer jar with some good water and retain that water. We'll also require 1 large onion chopped fine. I've taken 1 large green chili, cut off the tips, and just slit the chili like this. And then we require about 10 to 12 fresh curry leaves. So now I'm going to heat about a tablespoon of oil in a pan or a pot. Once it's hot enough, I'm going to add the curry leaves and the chili and just fry it very well. Basically, we're flavoring the oil. Now I'm going to add the onion and fry the onion till it's nice and translucent. Now we're going to add the masala paste and fry the paste for at least a whole minute. Now we're going to add the crabs directly into the masala and coat the crabs well with this masala paste. That's very important that you get into all of the crab with this lovely masala. Now I'm going to add the masala water, and I'm going to add 1 more cup of water because the crab has to get cooked with all of this liquid and water and masala. Now mix everything really well together. And now all we have to do is add a little bit of salt to taste. Now this curry does require a little extra salt than we generally do use. But first you add a little, and then if you require some more, add some more. Mix everything well again. And now let this mixture come to a gentle boil. The minute it starts to come to a boil, just simmer it or put the gas on very, very slow. Cover and cook it for a good 25 minutes on a very low flame. And after that, you'll see that everything has come together. There's a lovely aroma in the kitchen. Turn off the heat. And if you look closely, you will see that the flesh of the crabs have turned into a thick white color. They were first, transparent and a very light white. Now it's become a nice thick white color, almost like chicken flesh or pomfret. And now it's ready, guys. All you need to do is just serve it. And like I said, I'm going to show you how I, plated up my fish thali for me and my family. So in the comments box below, I would love to know how many of you are fish lovers and what are your favorite fish. In my home, it's mostly kingfish or surmai and prawns. We love prawns. And this is how you eat crab. For those of you who don't know, you just break it. It's very easy to break because it's cooked so well. And then using a fork or a spoon, you just take out this white flesh from everywhere. So you can do this first before you start eating. You can just, take off all of the white flesh. It looks like cooked chicken and it has a very sweet taste. That's why we added this little bit of a spicy masala to balance it. And that's how you eat it. And now let me show you how I plate up my fish thali. So here I have a piece of surmai. Here I have some rava fried prawns. Next I have my crab curry which we made just now. Then I like to have some sorak. I love sorak. And this is like 2 days old, so it tastes amazing. Then some roughly cooked rice, normal cooked rice. Then I'm going to have 2 chapatis or puris, a little bit of mango pickle, and some tomatoes. Now the recipes for all of these, and of course a lovely banana. So the recipe of all these things which are on my plate, I will link them all below in the comment section as well as the description box below. So you won't miss out on any of these lovely recipes if you want to make a thali like this for yourself and your family. So guys, wasn't that a real easy recipe? So guys, don't be afraid to try out new things, A few tips I can give you for beginners. So basically when you go to buy the crab, the fisher lady will tell you exactly what is fresh. Tell her I'm a new beginner, I've never made crab before. Can you help me by cleaning it for me and giving me really good ones? And they are very sweet. They always oblige. So, they'll remove all the insides and everything. All you need to do is just bring it home and clean it really well under running water. And then, proceed with the recipe. And also I've shown you at the end of the recipe how to eat crab for those of you who don't know. So you just break it open and it has this beautiful white flesh inside, which has been infused with these lovely spices and the paste, and you cook it on a simmer for about 30-35 minutes till everything comes together and you can really enjoy this lovely white meat of crab. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video and enjoyed my plating of my fish thali, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I need those thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to Akshata's recipes, spread my, share my recipes with family and friends, and keep watching Akshata's recipes. Write to me. And on that note, I'll end this video. Lots of love from me, and stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. And I'll catch you soon. Bye.